Wow. 100 Thieves has a van? What the heck? Today I'm at the 100 Thieves compound. Mr. Damien, one of the executive producers who I've gotten to know through streaming and all that, invited me over to hang out. He's gonna show me and give me a tour of the place. So let's go check it out. This is pretty exciting. I've always seen pictures of this place, but I finally get to see it in person.
Nice to finally meet you. You'll see like players eat here a lot. You know, obviously staff will come in here. This is our like kind of entertainment, like viewing area. Like if you saw the final episode of The Heist, this is where everyone's like popping off and freaking out.
Okay.
Behind you, currently blinds down because he's not here. This is set up so that anyone could come in with like a monitor and just plug in and go. Wanted to mix it up a little bit. Our pristine kitchen.
Oh my goodness.
It's always clean.
It's pretty empty though.
It is empty.
You even got me a sandwich. Oh, thank you.
It's one of the formats. Yeah, I think it's one of the forks.
Typically when we like launch a new product or, you know, something like I've seen like apparel drops take place in here where you have like marketing, creative, like everyone just together looking at numbers, seeing how many people are on the site. You know, like, oh, someone responded with this, let's get social to approach it from this direction, you know? This is our kind of like evolving space. We've done everything from like produce streams in here to, as you see right now, it's set up as an apparel like space for the foundations line. Our trophies kind of float. So right now they're here, they were here last week. Sometimes they get moved around depending on what we're doing.
It's not painted.
The Gucci.
Oh, the Gucci collab. That was crazy when I heard about that.
So this is probably our biggest scrim room currently. Wow. This is where the League of Legends team practices out of. We just recently shot, well I guess it's coming out in a while. We shot part of our Little Nas X video in here. These are 4 streaming pots, effectively like whenever our creators come into the town and external people.
Oh, wow.
Like, check this out. This is my favorite part.
Ooh.
Just live color changes.
Changes, wow.
All with like the A7S as a webcam, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the production studio.
Where we have this like LED wall. You could pretty much put whatever up there.
Oh, this is where they film everything. Wow, that is... I'm nerding out right now.
Oh yeah, the boost one. Yeah.
Whoa.
So crisp. Dude, the sound insulation in this room is pretty low. It's like padded to the inch. Oh, I actually haven't seen it with the lights on for it.
Here's some leaks if you want to see the stuff that we're using.
Ooh. Wow.
But more like open seating, 2 meeting rooms. This is where the Academy team lives all the time.
Oh wow. There's
Remove it.
There's one academy.
There's just computers and monitors everywhere. Oh, that's a crazy collab too. Oh my goodness.
So it's like full-fledged editing bay, top-of-line computer, like speaker setup and everything.
Is there only one editor that does everything here?
They're kind of like trade-offs.
Okay.
Like a big project. Like we had our colorist come in last night to work on the music video, so he grabbed one of these. So this is a very interesting space. So basically, our editors will parsect, which is like the software, into the computers, and this is kind of like where all those computers live.
Oh, I
So
see.
these are all, every computer's an editor.
Yeah, and there's all this remotely editing.
Yep.
That's awesome. I did also see the basketball court outside.
Oh, you probably saw the basketball court outside too.
Yeah.
Not real. He really agreed with me. So,
With the brute gushers and...
Damn! What you shooting with this big ass cannon?
100 Thieves knows their gear.
Yes, we do. Hey, listen.
I'm a big gearhead.
DSLRs changed YouTube forever.
True?
Wait, what the fuck?
just finished hanging out with the 100 Thieves guys. Super cool. I got to meet Matt, one of the co-founders, or maybe the co-founder for 100 Thieves. Very awesome. Had lunch with him and some of the other folks. Oh, I even got a goodie bag. Cha-ching! 100 Thieves merch. Cool stuff. Now I have a haircut appointment to go to. See you guys there. I'm back from my haircut. This is the longest I've ever grown my hair. It's gotten a little crazy. Just got a little trim. But yeah, I wanted to shout out Damien for inviting me over. We also had some business talks. Can't talk about that, but it was great to finally meet Damien in person. He's one of the executive producers, or maybe the executive producer at 100 Thieves. And I've known him for some time now, but great to finally see him in person as well. And let's check out what he gave me. Ooh, I've actually never seen 100 Thieves merch before. Ooh, this is nice. We got some sweatpants. Oh, there's a lot. Oh my goodness. Wow. Got a crew neck. 100 Thieves. I'm just gonna be covered in a 100 Thieves gear. Hoodie? Oh, that's another crew neck. I actually don't own that many crew necks. This is nice. The quality is pretty nice. Oh, okay. It's even got some ribbing detail here. Nice. Okay. This is a windbreaker. Anorak? Oh, it is an anorak. Wow, 100 Thieves anorak. There. Their merch is clean.